Less than a week after the UP's decision on Telangana, the chorus for new states is regaining grounds in Assam.
Nơi borophur na har nang sir Ziu dong som dong gerut nam ta Mizing dong na gaya nang sir ha Gau ni hari ko Bezu lang na Yeah
Hung nisan Garlai badi Hari ni hari muko lukhang na San garlai badi hari ni hari muko lukhang na nei borof
Nơi borophur nước sưa gurub nan thaya bla Sanse nong la sanse nuk shuru Gubun hari zung kakluk zage
Nei borof Zanji kaplade Hari ni hari muko lukhang na nei borof zanji kaplade hari ni hari muko lukhang na nei borof
were killed in cold blood, while the cops and the Indian Army have denied these allegations and said those killed were militants.
Dukharu boro nathai dine sangluwa boin bega siau halai hapai gederundui megnomode dukhuni sankon hayai
kam zota serza sifungni denkhe sedem sribiye danai lunai agora kai boroni nerse kam zota serza sifungni denkhe danai lunai agora kai boroni nerse nei borof
Patriotic district of Assam demand more security after at least 50 people were killed and many injured in the suspected Bodo militant attack last week.
Nay Bodoland ni man sifer Gaus and gaun man ena eni Nangs like comes like butas like nai Man na sa daba busi runga
Koseti zanai Muga dine Koseti zanai